Hi, I'm Sarah Smithurst and I'm the Business Development Manager for the NTTA, the National Trailer and Towing Association. We are a not-for-profit organisation that keeps our members informed of changes in the towing guidance to help them run their business more effectively. It acts as a hub for trailer and towing information and gives the public access to a list of accredited suppliers, meaning they can buy with confidence and peace of mind. We promote safe and legal towing. Our members offer free safety checks, our B&E members offer training courses, and we have members who are fully qualified and trained to fit tow bars and service your trailers. Trailers need to be serviced and tow bars need to be checked. The NTTA and its members have worked alongside the Police and Highways England to carry out vehicle checks. Only 1/3 were compliant. Some trailers were overladen, some unsafe tyres, breakaway cables incorrectly fitted. Some vehicles towing caravans had no extendable mirrors. Drivers did not have the correct category B&E licence. Since then, the NTTA has continued to work with the police and highways authorities to conduct nationwide road checks on a regular basis. The safety checks we offer at the NTTA look at various things on a trailer. All trailers, unbraked and braked up to 3,500 kg gross weight, can be taken to any of our participating NTTA QS members for a free safety check. This could help and highlight issues that should be addressed. The brakes, the wiring and the axles are inspected. If these are highlighted, they should be addressed. If issues are found, you will be given the opportunity to have them repaired. We must stress that this is a visual inspection only and not a substitute for a regular maintenance and servicing, but it will give you an overview on the general safety of your trailer. Things you should look at are the 7 and 13 core cable and plug to make sure it is not damaged. The breakaway cable is not worn. The tyres do not have any cuts or bulges. Tyres are inflated to the manufacturer specification for the load being carried. Each tyre has a tread depth of at least 1.6 mm. Check the wheel nuts and bolts are tightened to the correct torque. Conduct brake checks. To do this correctly, you need to have a regular service. Check the mudguards are fitted to the trailer and they are secure. There is no damage to the lights and all the lights are working correctly. Extended mirrors. Drivers need to fit suitable towing mirrors if their trailer is wider than the width of your vehicle. There is a legal requirement for drivers to have mirrors that allow them to see clearly an area that is 4 meters wide from the side of the trailer and a distance 20 meters behind the driver. If you are towing for business or private, please ensure that you walk around your trailer and make sure everything is in order before you drive. Also, think about where you place the load in a trailer. The maximum permissible weight is the weights that should be not exceeded are listed on both the vehicle and the trailer. The trailer weight plate is normally located on the A-frame. This displays the gross trailer weight, the nose weight, the maximum axle weights. Loading the trailer is really important. The position of the load on the trailer affects the nose weight, which is vital for the trailer safety. You must make sure that the trailer is loaded correctly, because if the nose weight is either too low or too high, then this can lead to instability. Apart from safety, there's also the financial implication of overloading. You also can have penalties. A £100 penalty will be levied for a vehicle overloaded up to 10%. This increases to £200 between 10% and 15%, and £300 for between 15 and 30%. Thereafter, a court summons is usually issued. Additional penalties are incurred for unsafe loads, so it is very important to ensure everything is secured and loaded correctly. B&E licence is often talked about. If you passed your test before the 1st of January 1997, you are able to tow up to 3,500 without passing any additional tests, which is referred to as grandfather rights. This is signified in the B&E classification on your driving licence. For drivers who pass their test after this date, you are only able to tow 750 kg unbraked trailer. But regardless of grandfather rights, Why not have a lesson so you know what to expect and understand what it feels like to tow, and have that extra weight behind you? A tachograph is something else which is asked about. A tachograph is a device that must be fitted to certain vehicles to record information about driving time, speed and distance. They are used to make sure that the drivers, like myself and other employees, follow the rules on driver's hours. Tachographs are fitted as standard on a heavy goods vehicle, but sometimes required for light commercial vehicles, including pickup trucks. If the total permissible weight, i.e. the plated weight of the pickup truck and the trailer, is over 3.5 tonnes, then you'll need a tachograph. As well as having a safe trailer, we must also have a safe driver, and tachographs are a great way to ensure drivers are abiding by the driver's hours and keeping refreshed. The reality is that tiredness kills, so it is very important that they're awake and alert when in charge of a heavy vehicle and a trailer combination. Let's talk about some tips. When you're towing, take your time, go very slow, use very small movements, practice in an area with lots of space so you get the feel. Pick a route that you know and ensure you're familiar with that road. Don't forget to inform your insurance that you've had a tow bar fitted. If you hire a trailer, tow for business or privately use a trailer, please walk around your trailer before you tow and check, and only if you are happy, then you may hitch and tow. Once you are behind the wheel, then it is you who will face all the penalties and the charges if there's something wrong with the trailer or you have an accident. For more information, log on to our website www.ntta.co.uk or log on to the Gov site, which will give you more information on towing and safety.